landed on mine. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we have a really exciting video. We're gonna try our best to get rid of that old school bus front door where that leaks and shakes and wobbles while going down the road. And we're gonna try our best to install our house door that we bought and hopefully just tightens everything up. If you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get into it. So we're gonna start attempting to take this door off. The problem is every door and every bus is a little bit different. So we're gonna start by taking off these little covers, which holds these bolts in on each side. I don't know if it's gonna do anything, but we just wanna take them off and get a good look. So that first method did not work. Those screws have nothing to do with the post itself. So now I'm gonna try another method I saw, which is to pry the bolt down, compress it, and hopefully it just falls out. Sawzall with a metal blade on it. We're just gonna cut the bolts right from the bottom and hopefully they come out. So I think there's like an Allen wrench at the top.
Okay.
I can either try to force that. We'll try to do that first, and then if that doesn't work, then we'll just cut out the top bolt as well.
Got it.
Good. So what I'm doing right now, on the top side, at least in our bus, there's a little, not really little, it's a giant Allen wrench bolt that holds that top part of the door in, and I'm just loosening it, and then hopefully it comes out. All right, so unfortunately we did not get this on tape, but I was trying to cut the top bolt off and the whole door just fell out, so that's a plus. So what we're gonna do now is measure what this depth is to cut down some pressure treated 2x4s and then attach them directly to the metal using wood to metal screws. We got one side up. Now we're gonna do is install the door, do a rough draft of what we need for the top portion and the opposite side portion for the doorknob and the deadbolt to lock into. We have the right side done, we have the left side done. Now it's time to measure the top and finish this door off. That's gonna be it for today. We love the way it turned out. It took about 3 hours for us to frame this in, get the door mounted and everything. We still have to get the door, the lock, the handle and all that, and then we're going to finish it off with some decorative pieces around the edge so you don't see any of that wood. Back with day two, the first thing we're gonna do is replace all these screws that are in the hinges because they're really short. We wanna make them nice and long.
That's what she said.
I'm gonna make sure it's really sturdy when we're going down the road. These are the ones that the hinges came with. As you can see, it's very little, and these are the ones we're replacing them with. Just give it some more rigidity, if you will.
Rigidity.
What I'm gonna do now is seal up all these little edges where the wood meets the metal, and then it's gonna be covered with this vinyl exterior trim. But for right now, while I'm doing that, Nicole's gonna be taping off the windows so we can paint the door. What's gonna happen now is Nicole's gonna paint the trim pieces for the outside of the door, the left side and the right side here. She's gonna paint it with our favorite black color, which is tricorn black from, who the hell makes it? Oh, Sherwin-Williams. And we got it in this exterior weather shield. I don't know, just a little extra protection. We always love this one. It's what we used on our deck on the top of the bus. Let's get to it. These have their first coat on. We're gonna let it dry for a little bit, and then Nicole's gonna add a second, possibly a third coat. Now it's time to paint the door. As always with Florida weather, it's very unpredictable. As we were about to start painting the door, it started raining. So we will catch you hopefully when it's over.